This is Wajid Ali Foundation School, English version, Lalmatia, Dhaka. Okay, my dear and sweet students, today I'll talk about the usage and utilization of clean out versus clean out versus clean up versus clean away. Do you often get any confused between these words? Really you do? I myself, sometimes I get troubles at the time of distinguishing these words. It is found that English learners, while speaking English, they make a common mistakes while using these phrases: clean out, clean off, clean up, and clean away. So I have, let us have a look on clean out. Clean out here means to remove unwanted things from a room or closet area, or take everything from someone. What is unwanted to you? Unnecessary dirt and some things. When you are cleaning out, then use clean out from inside. Suppose from the inside of the freeze. Suppose you are cleaning the inside of the inside of uh, inside of freeze, inside of the oven. To clean inside space of something such as inside of the freeze and oven. Example 1, we cleaned out all chair, tables, stools, etc. from library. That is, we cleaned out it from library. This is not dirt, these are things. The thieves broke and cleaned out of the store. Informal use. This is not cleaning, cleaned out. Metaphorical use. Buying an apartment, really I am cleaned out. Someone, after buying apartment, has cleaned out his pocket. Okay, now come to the point. Second one, clean off. Clean off means to clean off surface of something, such as the surface of the car, surface of the freeze, table, oven, not inside, over, surface, freezes, surface of the floor. Example, we need to clean off the table. Flat surface. Please clean off TV screen or flat screen of your table. Clean off the glass of the window. This is the flat. At the time of cleaning, usually level, flat surface you should use clean off. Now, clean off. Clean up means to clean up whole space, to remove unwanted things from the room or in a closet, from large area or any garbage, to steal or take everything, someone. Informal use is this one. To steal or take something, everything from someone, it is informal uses. For example, we should clean up the kitchen today. Number 2, the cleaner needs to clean up the washroom. Number 3, let's clean up the playground. Clean up. Okay. Now, clean away. Clean away means to clean away. Cleaning that is causing the mess and dirt, actual dirty place. You were dragging out something from inside or on the surface uh, or from the any floor. He lets, hey guys, let's clean away the mess. Usually after class party, when our classroom make hotspots, then we clean. We need to clean it. So anyone among us propose that let's clean away the mess. In such we have to say this one. Number two, my mom will clean away the broken pieces of glasses. Suddenly one of the glass has broken on the floor. By thrusting on the floor, one of the glass has been broken. Then mom will clean away the broken pieces of glass. Finding no alternative, mom has to do this one. Number three, my father cleans away the liquid on the floor. Tea or coffee or milk upset down on the floor. Then usually my father cleans away the liquid on the floor. So dear students, thank you very much. I do hope that this English lesson has helped you a lot. Going forth, you can use these phrases in order to talk about cleaning in your daily conversation. You are the best, you are the legend.